good morning, guys. Good morning. It's another Monday morning, fruitful business day. But let's start in today's edition of MX Beats Lifestyle Entertainment. We bring you music, showbiz, and anything happening in the world of entertainment and lifestyle. Today, unfortunately, TB Joshua has passed on. Everybody's reacting to it. People are talking. And I have another thing, which is good news, and it has to do with a baby. There's a new baby in town. But let's dive into the stories we have for you today. Now, Nigeria has done it again. The government has announced that they have officially suspended all Twitter activities in Nigeria. The app is effectively banned. Yes, Nigeria says no Twitter in Nigeria anymore. So early last week, a tweet by Nigerian President Buhari was flagged and later deleted. The government accused Twitter of having an agenda and double standards. In a Twitter post, how very convenient the Ministry of Information and Culture announced that Twitter was indefinitely banned due to actions that threatened Nigeria's corporate existence. So Nigerians and international countries all disagree with the ban, calling it a ban on free speech. Several people around the country have quickly taken to using VPNs, thus creating the hashtag Thank God for VPN. So if you're in Nigeria, unfortunately, you can't be tweeting anymore, which is quite unfortunate. But now let's talk about something else. Unfortunately, we've lost a powerful man of God. Popular pastor and TV evangelist has passed on. After years in the service of God and others, the pastor passed away aged 57. Several people around the world praised him for his miracles and mourned during this time. He left behind his wife and his children. May his soul rest in perfect peace. And there are a lot of tributes actually pouring out for him. Now let's go into something else. It says something has finally arrived. We have Mayweather and Logan Paul faced off in the ring on Sunday night. The professional boxer versus the professional YouTuber. Viewing for the match was on pay-per-view with 50% of that going straight into Mayweather's bank account and 10% of it going to Paul. At this point, it begs the question, was it a fight or entertainment? Myself, I don't know. As per the preset runs, 8 rounds, and the fight is done, and both of them survived. By the time the bell rang, the end with no official winner, Logan Paul was exhausted. Mayweather had found a new sense of respect for the young YouTuber. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle have officially welcomed their latest bundle of joy, a bouncing baby girl named Lilibet Diana. Lilibet, which was Queen Elizabeth's the second nickname as a child, and Diana after Harry's late mother, Princess Diana. She was born in California, where the family currently lives, making her an American. Well, people would say she's an American now since she's born in California, but the 8th in line to the royal throne, and so she's Britain and also American. But that's it we have for you today on MX Beats Lifestyle Entertainment. My name is Eme Fachichi. Follow us on all our social media platforms at MX24GH. Thanks to the production team, and make sure you have a wonderful Monday morning. Have a blessed day.